Hi friends, and today video topic is overriding. Previously I will explain polymorphism in overloading, polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism are two types, method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is writing two or more methods in the same class in such a way each method same name but different signature. I will explain previous video. I will explain previous so many videos in core Java. Methods, objects, loops, ifs, so many topics I will explain, and I provided a description. You check it out all videos. And today topic is overriding. What is overriding? Writing two or more methods in superclass and subclass, and superclass and subclass such that method have a same name and same signature. Same name and same signature. Okay, same name and same signature. Write the two or more methods in superclass and subclasses such that the method have same name and same signature. Method overriding in Java means subclass, and method overriding in a superclass method. And superclass method should be non-static. Subclass uses extends keyword is extend the superclass. In overriding method of both subclasses and superclasses position same signature overriding. Let's do the practically. I will explain theoretically. First I will create one class, and after method two methods, and explain. Okay, is a parent is a child class, and is a parent class is a child class. Extend the child class, add new. Okay, we'll explain it practically to understand more. Right click on new class, is a overriding riding. Enable to public static void main and finish it. And class overriding, we will create ABC. We will create public void car. We will create one car class. C, so control space and A and B. C, and first of all you enter signature. Signature means data types and variables, and C. And after creating one more public void car and same name, will provide same name, and I will provide same name and same signature, same signature, and extends 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 car. I will creating extends, sorry, I will confuse it. I will basic class. I will confuse, just confuse it, and I will give one statement A B C controllers. This is the ABC. Total three values. I will same method name and same signature. Okay, same method name and same signature. I'll control this, run this program. But I will not create object. I will not create any action, and I create override ding or equal to new overriding or dot core 12 12 13. Just change it, and I will provide core. Core is one method, but this not giving two methods or one method. Okay, two classes. I will create one more class, one more method. I will create one more method. That method name is car. Car equal to new car create car. What? My fucking, I will confuse it. Sorry guys, I will just confuse it. Method names and ABC controllers. I will just confuse it. I will say method name and different signature. Controllers I will call it. Next I will run it, this exam, this program. I will run it. 12 is the first one. 12 is and a value is, and run it. I will run this program, and 12 11 13, and first I will perform this particular overriding activity, and that's the reason first is executing. After executing ABC class activity, that's the reason is printing. These are the method overriding, method overloading, and I will clearly explain it. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for more videos.